My Night Timber X Evolution. Left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down on the elevator. We're not gonna, let's see, we'll do half flaps. And I will arm it. We're gonna take off after the, just take off right here in the parking lot towards the sun. Got a 4S 2900 in here. I will not be using the whole battery. Just getting to that time when it's a little tough to see, and Night Timber has plenty of lights and you can see it really well, as you can see right there as I fly by. So we are in great shape as far as being able to fly and see. I'm just going to take it easy tonight on this. A couple of reasons. A couple of kids were coming out, little kids were coming out with their mums and running at my feet at one of my flights. Made it kind of a challenge, so I had to back away, walk away as I had a plane in the air. And then they're launching rockets, literally as I'm flying overhead. So I don't know that I got that on video. Hope I didn't. Oh, and I got a bird up there with me. Just a nice relaxed flight. Just to end the evening here. I'm not quite sure how long I'll get on a 4S 2900. That's the other reason I don't think I'll do the whole battery. Beautiful sunset right now. So hopefully that will be a nice view. Let's see about adding half flaps. And then taking it back up in the air a little bit, slowing her down, and then I'm going to take it towards the sun and get hopefully a little bit longer view from the plane. Oop. There we go. Take the flaps off and bring her back around. Got 3 to 5 miles an hour wind out of the southeast, and gusts have hit 7, 8. I felt that on the when I had my Ranger up. So Night Timber doesn't have the problem that the Ranger did. It's a heavier plane, great control surfaces. Flies really well, got a much more powerful engine. And it's a heavier battery in here too, not just a little 1500 3S. So I'll probably take the 4 minutes, and that'll be 7 minutes on the timer. And see how that goes. And we'll see where we're at. Right now, oh, it's down at 3.8. So I have a feeling this was charged a couple of days ago. It's a Spectrum, so it may have started its self-discharge. I've only been up 3 minutes, so I guess I probably won't get my full life out of it. I figured a 4S 2900 would get a lot of life. Let's bring her back and go around clockwise a little bit. Sky's really looking pretty. Take a peek at the battery. Oh, time to come down. So we are just about out of battery according to telemetry, so I'm going to be looking to bring her down. Maybe not this time. Yeah, not this time. We'll go around again and just make it slow. And hopefully I'll bring it on the outside part of the, here we go. Little bounce. Stop it on the diamond. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell and be notified of future flights of the Night Timber X Evolution. And comments are greatly appreciated. And love to hear from you. And I will answer. Thanks again for watching.